Here's proof that this brand new website actually works and it actually pays. After years of struggling to make money online, after testing hundreds of websites and apps, and applying for hundreds of freelancing jobs, failure after failure, I finally found a website that actually pays, and it pays pretty well. This brand new website I found may not make you rich, but it pays worldwide. So it doesn't matter where you're from. You don't need thousands of social media followers. You don't need your own website, and it's absolutely free to use. So whether you're just a student who wants to earn some extra money on the side, or you're an artist looking to save up for your exciting projects, or anyone else with an internet connection who's just looking to make money from their laptop, PC, or smartphone device, then this is for you. After hundreds of money-making websites that we've talked about, this one will be the easiest one. So if you can't wait to see that, then give it a thumbs up below. Every single one counts. And subscribe to this channel for more content like this, because we usually talk about different money-making websites and money-making strategies that will transform the way you spend your free time. Instead of wasting your free time watching Netflix, you could be making thousands of dollars off of that same laptop, all from the comfort of your home. Or, even better, from the comfort of your own bed. Before we begin, I want to show you proof that this actually works and that they will really pay. This is Pongoshare at pongoshare.com, and you can see that over the past 2 days, I've received a little over $100 into my account, and I'm pretty happy about it. Later on, we'll be discussing the details of how I did it, but first of all, I just wanted to show you paper proof that this actually works. Obviously, if I was spending more time on this platform, I would have made a lot more. In fact, I could be making thousands of dollars per month just from Pongoshare alone. But since this isn't my main source of income, I just do it on the side to make a few $100s in my spare time. Now, some of the ways you can make money with Pongoshare are to complete different tasks, which I will show you in a minute, or just buy and promote different products from their marketplace. Again, you don't need any specific amount of followers or YouTube subscribers in order to make money by promoting Pongoshare products. So it doesn't really matter if you're a beginner or not. To sign up to Pongoshare, just click on this black button at the top of the page. Select the Moneymaker character, enter your email address, create a password, and continue. Now you will receive an email like this, which you will need to confirm by just clicking on this button where it says Confirm Account. With that out of the way, you'll now have your own Pongoshare account where you can start making money in 3 different ways. The first and the best way to make money with Pongoshare is just to promote these different offers and products that are available on their marketplace. You see, a product like this will pay you around $1 per sale, which may not seem like a lot, but just imagine getting thousands of sales using the traffic source that I'm about to share with you, which, by the way, gets hundreds of millions of views. We'll talk about that in a minute, but first, you will just need to find a product to promote. Then click on Earn by Referral, and that will now show the pop-up page where you can grab your affiliate link. So, as you can see, this is my affiliate link for this offer, which costs about $14, and each time someone orders it using this link, I will be credited around $1.30. And some of these products are literally getting tens of thousands of sales in total. Needless to say, Alibaba, who's a partner of Pongoshare, has a revenue of over $100 billion US. So recommending these products to other people as an affiliate is probably the best and easiest way you can make money with Pongoshare, because affiliate marketing is something that has been proven multiple times on this channel to be very, very effective. You can even just recommend these products to your friends and family and tell them more about the Pongoshare cashback feature. Anyways, the second way you can make money with Pongoshare is by using their cashback feature, which will allow you to save money on your future purchases. So, if you decide to purchase some of these offers, let's say from Alibaba, you can get a portion of your money back if you buy it through Pongoshare, because they've partnered up with all of these websites. And the third way to make money with Pongoshare is to use their Tasks tab, where you can complete different offers and tasks to receive cash prizes. For instance, By completing some of these offers, I can get paid anywhere from $1 all the way up to $5 per task. Once again, that may not seem like a lot, but it quickly adds up. Just remember that you can do all of this from the comfort of your own home while laying in bed or sitting on the couch. Now, as I promised you, I'll show you how to get free traffic to the offers you want to promote from Pongoshare as an affiliate. And one of the easiest options is to use forums like Quora. Quora is getting over 500 million monthly visitors, and you can simply start engaging with the users on this platform and start recommending them some of the offers which you found on Pongoshare. Another great way to get traffic is to use push notifications networks like Rich Ads. I'll not cover this in detail as we already talked about it in some of my previous videos, so just feel free to check that out. Anyways, once you start to make money with Pongoshare, if you decide to withdraw and spend it on whatever you prefer, you will need to open up your account settings once you log in. And then you will see this button where it says Apply to Withdraw, and you can do that as soon as you have enough in your balance. You can then cash out using many different options, and then you can either use that money to reinvest, give away, buy gifts, or anything that suits you. Either way, Pongoshare is one of the best and easiest ways to start making money online as a complete beginner, especially during this global chaos that's leaving people without their jobs. Remember, Pongoshare is not a money-making machine, and it probably won't make you rich, but it's a great way to start making some extra money online from the comfort of your own home. It costs $0 to join, it's worldwide available, and it's extremely simple. Most of the websites that we talked about before either don't work worldwide or don't pay that much, or are not free, or simply put, they're hard and they require a lot of dedication. But Pongoshare is different. It doesn't require you to sit in front of your computer for hours and hours every day. You literally don't have to sit behind your desk all day long just to make some extra money online. That's the beauty of Pongoshare. If you want to learn more about Pongoshare and how you can make money with it, then feel free to go to pongoshare.com or just use the link from the description down below to get instant access. Sign up today and start making money online.